Here goes Neymar, running from deep. Off he goes. It's still Neymar. Couple of step overs. But he's still got the ball. Can he keep his footing? He can. He's asking for some support, I think.
Yeah, it was super impressive. That flick up. Just toying with people.
Oh! Check back for now. Oh,
Lovely little rainbow flick there.
Oh, that's what he's going to do. That was incredible! Stuff here.
I think everyone's just enjoying the show.
Yeah.